This video shows insects that are involved in decomposition. This topic may not be for everyone. Monday, May 15th, 2023. So you can see they've really eaten down what's in there. Just confirming for today, we're at 26 degrees Celsius, 58% humidity in the main tank where I am keeping the beetles. There's a couple of adults in this tank, which I was not expecting. I guess there are some food items in there, so I'm gonna check and see where those came from. Okay, so I transferred the two adults that were in here to my other tank. I'm gonna just assume that they're mine. And yeah, you can see as well how the cotton has just kind of swollen up from all the tunneling that the beetles have done into it. So I'm going to try and tamper that down so it's not quite so close to the probe and the other material in there. I'm gonna work on kind of cleaning this out a little bit. So I'm gonna come back to the previous material that was here. Take some photos. I assume that maybe the adult beetles came from this container, which has the bones that I took out of the main tank. So I'm just gonna take a look. Okay, I think what I want to do now is actually go through here, pick out some more of the bones, separate them, and you know, kind of set them aside and just kind of put some more chicken in here for them to munch on. So here we go, I'm gonna pick through the bones. Might need a little bit longer actually. Yeah, you can take a look here. As you can see, there's lots of holes because there's lots of skin on here still. You have lots of holes here, lots of holes here, and here. And that's gone all the way through the skin down to the bone there. So the bone is exposed, but there's still some skin on top. I'm trying to keep some flies out here. And kind of the same over here. It's a bit juicy. And some of those adults are not happy that I'm picking around in there, but anyway, yeah, so it's still a bit of skin for them to chew on, so I'm gonna leave those bones in a bit longer and put some fresh stuff in for them as well. Them some fresh chicken, so they've got something fresh to eat. got it in here. So there's two in there. Just move this little pupil out. I think he fell in from when I moved stuff around. There we go. Alright, so here's the tank for now. I put in a couple of chicken thighs. They got food and moisture from that source. There's a few larvae that have gotten on there already, but yeah, they'll get over there pretty quick.